How do cancer patients know the end is near? My mom passed away from breast cancer in October 2019. She was diagnosed in 2017. By then, it was already stage 4 and had spread to her bones and brain. In December 2018, she told me that her time was running out and that she needed help. I came home to care for her during the final stages. She knew she wouldn't make it to Christmas, and she didn't. When I asked how she knew she couldn't beat the disease, she said she felt it deep inside from the moment she was diagnosed. I'm grateful she told me because it gave us those last precious months together. She didn't tell anyone else until about 2 months before she began slipping away. She didn't want to worry them even more and went through chemo for their sake. She fought for us, even though she knew it was a losing battle. We're Afrikaans, and her words to me were, "My tide is mine, my kind, my calm help." In English, "My time is short, my child. You must come help me, please. I'm so sorry to ask this of you." Her last words to me were, "Thank you. Thank you for everything."